Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate percentages in Excel. To begin, enter your part value in one cell and your total value in another. Then, in a third cell, type the formula equals part divided by total. Press Enter, and finally, format that cell as a percentage from the Home tab. It's a straightforward process for basic calculations. Understanding percentage change is crucial for tracking growth or decline. Start by putting your original value in one cell and the new value in another. The formula is equals new value minus original value divided by original value. This will give you a decimal, which you then format as a percentage. This method works for both increases and decreases. When you need to see how each component contributes to a whole, calculating a percentage of a total is key. First, list all your individual values. Next, sum these values to get your grand total. For each individual value, divide it by the grand total. Apply percentage formatting to each result to clearly show its proportion. Excel makes handling common percentage tasks simple. For sales tax, multiply the item's price by the tax rate, like 5%. To apply a discount, subtract the percentage discount from 1, then multiply by the original price. You can also find an unknown value if you know a percentage and the total, making many financial calculations easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.